Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to restore old YouTube layout. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our browser. And after you open your browser, go here on your search bar and search for Custom Tube extension. Click enter. And then choose the first link that will pop up on your screen, which is right here. And after that, just click this Add to Chrome right there, and then click Add Extension. Once you click Add Extension, this thing will pop up right here on your screen. So all we have to do is to close this one, and also close this one right there. After that, on your YouTube channel, all you have to do is to go here on your Extension tab. But if you can see it, go here on the three dots, which is located on the top right corner, and then go here on the extensions and then click manage extensions. Once you click that, you will now be able to turn it on. Once you turn it on, go back to YouTube and then click this extension and then click this extension that we have added. After that, you will have a bunch of these choices that you can use for your layout. So you will have the 2021 layout, 2016 layout, and so on. But you could also disable it if you want to. So let's say, for example, that we want to use the 2021 layout. So let's click this one and then click refresh. And as you can see right there, we now have turned the old YouTube layout using this extension right here. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.